This monster is the Landeagle 40-inch evaporator cooler, also known as a swamp cooler. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. It's best in non-humid environments. It is 4,800 CFM, so it's going to give you enough cooling area up to 1,275 square feet. Now I'm in a tuck under garage. This is 736 square feet, so this is perfect. You can use it in a professional situation outside, like if you have patrons eating, or you can use it in private use like I am here. This top panel actually opens up. This is an area where you can actually add water, and you're going to get ice packs here. You also fill it down here in this little panel. That is not the only way to fill this up. And also what's really cool about this is it has wheels on the bottom, so it's very easy to move. On the side here, you can have a constant fill. You get an adapter with this and you can put your hose right into that. This will actually control the flow. So as soon as it has enough water, it will stop. This will hold 10.6 gallons total. Now, a few ways to use this. You've got your power button here, so you can turn on the power. Now you can't just run the fan here, like that, low, medium, high. You've got the cooling effect. Then you can turn on the swing, which is actually going to move the levers inside back and forth, so you get the airflow. Here's the medium, which is very high. And then on high, it's really blowing. Just make sure you're at least 8 inches away from the wall. You don't want any curtains near this. This will suck them in through the back. So if you're looking for a way to cool your home or outside on the patio, if you own a business that you need to cool it, you have a big warehouse, check out Landeagle's 40-inch swamp cooler.